Welcome to GS2 WebSauce Courseware by GSheetPress. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to take a quiz step by step. Step 1. Open the quiz lesson from your course. It'll be clearly marked so you know it's a quiz, not a regular reading or video lesson. Step 2. Read each question carefully before answering. Take your time here. Rushing through is the most common reason students miss questions they actually know the answer to. Step 3. Select your answer or type it in if the question requires a written response. Make sure you've answered every question before moving on. Step 4. Once you're done, click Submit. Double-check your answers first because once you submit, that attempt is locked in. Step 5. Review your score and result message. You'll immediately see whether you passed and how you did overall. If your score falls below the passing mark, you may be asked to retake the quiz. This is only possible if your teacher has enabled retakes for that quiz, so check the message on your results screen for next steps. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to complete a quiz, check your score, and what happens if you need a retake. Good luck on your next quiz, and check out our other tutorials to keep making progress in your course.